traders friend, welcome to the Right Moment Day Trading channel. This is Tracy. Our trading methodology is by action. The time frame is 30 minutes, and today's topic is how many steps of a trade. There are normally 4 steps of a trade. It also depends on the trader want to divide the trade. Most of the cases will be 3 or 4 steps, it depends. So we are in step 1, that is discover the potential setup. Up to now at the chart we don't have any setup yet, and as the price action we will identify the important key level. The clip is not about methodology, so for the methodologies I will make it clearer in the coming clip. So we don't have any potential setup yet, and we continue to wait. But we can see that the minor trends is the market is coming back to the important key level, and inspire action will likely to reverse the trend. So this will be at the hint to protect what's coming next. Okay, right here we can see that there is a bullish candle touch the key important key level right here, and we move to the step 2, that we need to consider the setup is confirmed or not confirmed. So wait for the next candle. So the coming candle look red, but we need to identify it is a bearish or not. What does it mean? It means that you can see that in this area it's like a war between the buyer and the seller, and we make friends with the one who is stronger at the moment. So it is a red candle, but it may not bearish, so we need to make a little calculation right here. So I need to calculate the middle of the candle to identify if it is really a bearish. So we have the high 1.08996, and we have the low 1.08924 divided 2. So we have the middle candle. The middle point is 1.0896 right here. 1.0896. Okay, so this is the middle of this candle, and you can see that the current price is 1.08956. So it means that the pressure from the seller is not strong enough, so it's not a confirmation yet, and we wait for the next candle. So the next candle form, and it's clearly to say that it's a confirm for the setup. That is a valid bearish. So it means that we finish step 2, that we get the confirm of the setup. Sometimes in step 2 we don't have the confirmation, and then if we don't have the confirmation, we let the market go away. Yeah, it's simple like that. So because in this step 2, because I choose the setup that in step 2 is a confirmation. So because it's a confirmation, so we enter the trade right after the confirmation candle. This is the confirmation candle. So we have the short order. And in step 3, we enter the trade. And in step 3, it's very important that we need to identify the entry price, the stop loss, and the take profit. We identify everything before we enter the trade. Yeah. So the first is the stop loss. So we have the nearest bearish of the important key level is right here. And the stop loss will about that. And remember to have some space so that you will not get the stop hunt by the spread. And we have the take profit. It depends on the methodology of the setup. Sometimes we have a very good risk and reward. Sometimes we will have a so-so. So it will rise before the MA20. Yeah. And the entries is cut on, is the product cut on these 3 candles. It can be a win trade, it can be a loss trade. Oh, right. So it's almost touch the stop loss level. So thrilling, huh? And then it's revert the trend. So this is the trade that I have just entered. So the pre-play mode become the real one. Yeah. So in this step 4 of this trade is quite simple, because the trade that you enter did not change the setup. So we just let it go, and it will give us the result. Sometimes in step 4, it will become more complicated. Thank you for watching. We hope that the video gave you some useful information. Like and subscribe to keep in touch. See you soon.